A good difference from the Pollination Project. I am Paji Derek, the founder and director of Might Foundation. And through your support, we're able to organize workshops where we trained young girls, children, leaders, and young men between the ages of 7 to 27 on the importance of protecting swamps or wetlands in Uganda so that we can better protect our climate within the country, and how to use music, dance, and drama in combination with legislative theatre or theatre of the oppressed to hold leaders to account and develop policies that better protect swamps in Uganda from a bottom to a national level. But this all goes back to you and your support that enabled us to purchase a laptop and a projector that we used during these workshops that have benefited at least 50 people directly and at least 100 people indirectly. So thank you to your support, and we call on for more support.